Alright, what's going on, everyone? Just kind of a small intro of what I'm doing. I am currently walking out to check one of my two trail cameras over a bait barrel for bears. So up here in Alaska, in the spring, we get the bait for bears, for predator control, obviously for the moose and caribou populations. So I haven't been out here in a little bit. I figured I should probably come out and check the camera. This one that you'll see here in a second, it has been being touched a little bit by a really nice grizzly, which is also kind of slightly intimidating, but then also this is Alaska and it's May, so moose are getting ready to drop calves, which is the most dangerous animal in these woods, probably, is a mother moose. And there's also wolves out here, so trying to go kind of slow, take my time to get down in there and check my surroundings. But it's midday, so I don't expect a whole lot of animals to be moving right now. Most moose are probably bedded up for the day, conserving energy. Most bears are more active towards the sunrise, sunset, and the night, which our night right now is very little. But yeah, I'm about halfway down, so when I get down in there, we'll turn you back on and see what's going on. Alright, so long story short, barrel, got dog food in it, and trail camera right there. Bears will come in, which obviously you can see one has come in, they'll work, get some of the dog food out of there, and then go from there. But I know two of my buddies that I'm hunting with this year, they came out, so a bear hasn't been here in a little bit.